A breakfast to start your heart right. Fruity steel-cut oatmeal with glazed pecans. Steel-cut oatmeal is considerably thicker than instant or traditional oatmeal. It takes longer to cook, about 30 minutes, but you can reduce the cooking time considerably if you soak the oats overnight in cold water. Read the recipe. Asparagus, tomato, and goat cheese omelet. Bring a touch of the Mediterranean to your breakfast table with this quick and easy omelet. You can use 4 large egg whites and 1 whole egg in place of the egg substitute. Read the recipe. Low-fat yogurt with peach and raspberry compote. This compote is quick and easy and great on top of thick and creamy yogurt. It also makes a healthy topping for angel food cake or other low-fat desserts. If fresh peaches are in season, substitute the frozen with 1 pound of the peeled fresh peaches. Read the recipe. Fig and golden raisin quick bread. This quick and easy bread is a great way to add a little whole wheat into your diet. You can also tailor the flavor to suit your personal taste by substituting figs and raisins with your favorite dried fruit. Read the recipe. Mint and basil fruit salad. By making a simple syrup, you get the great taste of the herbs in a concentrated form. Try substituting your favorite herbs in place of the mint and basil. The syrup may be stored up to 1 month in refrigerator. It's also great mixed into iced tea or lemonade. Read the recipe. Blueberry whole wheat pancakes. Big, juicy blueberries add an incredible flavor to these heart-healthy pancakes. If you find the flavor of whole wheat a little too intense for you, try substituting whole wheat flour with the same amount of all-purpose flour. Read the recipe. Mushroom and red potato frittata. Frittatas are a great way to use leftover vegetables and meats. Here we opted for a vegetarian dish by using small red potatoes and fresh mushrooms. If you want to be adventurous, try substituting exotic mushrooms from your local grocery store.